Today I'm talking about how you can save money on your grocery bill. It's a lot easier than you think. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Hello guys! Today I'm talking about how to save money on your grocery bill. I wrote my Dining on a Dime cookbook because I noticed 25 years ago that people were having a problem with saving money on their groceries, and I couldn't figure out why they were spending $300 to $500 a month on groceries for their family of four, but I was spending $125 a month for my family of four. And then I realized they didn't follow the tips that I use to save on my grocery bill. Now, these are nothing new. They're tips that grandma, mom have always used for years and years. But it seems like in the last, 20 years or so, really since women have started working, people have stopped using these tips and they're just too tired all the time. And so they don't take the time to actually save money on their grocery bill. And it's really easy to do. All right. What are some of the things you do? 1, stop buying groceries at full price. 90 to 95% of my groceries are purchased on sale and at the lowest price sale. So what does that mean? That means I don't buy watermelon in July and August. I don't buy red and yellow peppers because they're a whole lot more expensive than green peppers. I don't buy avocados any time of year except for December, January, February when they're the cheapest and on sale. I don't buy grapefruits and oranges in the summer. I buy them in the winter when they're the cheapest. I buy apples. Now apples can be on pretty reasonable most of the year, but when they're really on sale in the fall, I'll buy them, and then in the summer I eat other fruits and vegetables that are on sale, like strawberries and peppers and watermelon that are actually on sale in the summer. Then I don't buy those in the winter. That way I'm always buying fruits and vegetables on sale when they're in season. That's the next tip. Buy when things are on season. Yes, when they're in season, usually they're on sale. I never buy peaches except for July and August here in Colorado. That's the only time they're on sale. That's the only time I buy them. I only buy strawberries in June here in Colorado. I don't buy them any other time of the year. So buy your fruits and vegetables in season. Next, eat store brands. 90% of the food that I buy is store brand, unless a name brand is on sale. So let's say Goldfish crackers. First of all, I just don't buy them for my kids unless they're on sale. But if the Goldfish crackers are on sale and they're cheaper than the store brand, then I'll go ahead and buy some as a treat for my kids. They are not a staple in my kids' diet. I do not buy pre-cut up fruits and vegetables. Did you know the 2 top things selling in grocery stores is pre-cut up fruits and vegetables and pre-packaged lunch items? I never, ever, ever buy those for my kids unless it's just a super good deal. So usually the first week of the schools in session and the last week schools in session, Lunchables will go on sale for $1. I'll buy some for my kids for a couple of lunches for those 2 weeks, and that's it. It's a treat. It's a special thing. We don't buy them any other time. I will pack a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with a cut up apple or a cut up cutie or put a banana in there, and then I'll package my own chips, put my own cookies in there. I don't buy all of those pre-packaged things. Next, I cook around what's on sale, not what I want to eat. When I plan my meals, it's what I have on hand. I don't make a special trip to the grocery store. I only eat what is convenient and make my plans around what's convenient already in my house. This is the next tip. I don't make a special trip to the grocery store to just buy groceries for that night's meal. I go shopping once a month. I buy the groceries for the month. I cook out of my pantry. If we run out of bell peppers or mushrooms or onions or whatever, I don't cook recipes that have those in there, or I just leave the recipes out. So cook around what's on sale and what's in season, and don't make special trips. Use what you already have on hand. Next, you may have to give up some things. When hamburger prices went up in 2020, we did not buy hamburger. I stopped buying hamburger. I kept buying the chicken that was 99 cents and $1.99 a pound. I didn't buy hamburger. I didn't buy any steak. I didn't buy any roast. We went 9-10 months without eating a roast until the prices came back down. You may have to do without. Stop thinking that just because you eat those foods that you have to always eat those foods. And I'm sorry, but picky husbands, if they're going to insist on having their steak and potatoes, then they're going to have to come up with the money and get a second job to pay for the higher grocery prices. Or they're going to have to give up, fixing up that old car or whatever, or give up their cable or something. So you can't be picky. You're not going to be able to be picky. You're going to have to eat what's on sale right now and make do with what you have right now. That is one of the biggest things. I don't make a menu and then go grocery shopping. I refill my pantry with staples, and then I cook from those staples. So if chicken is cheap this week, my pantry gets refilled with chicken. If next week hamburgers are cheap, I refill my freezer with hamburger that week. I don't make menus around what I want to eat. I make menus around what's in my pantry and what is already on sale that I've already purchased, and then we eat those meals. So I hope that gives you guys some tips on how to save on your grocery bill. It actually is quite easy. Oh, I forgot one last tip. You may have to drive to save money on your grocery bill. When I lived in Idaho, I was 70 miles away from the grocery store, and we had a little teensy tiny grocery store in our town. Milk was $4.50 a gallon, and that was 25 years ago. In 3 years, I never purchased one thing from that grocery store. I drove the 70 miles each way once a month to go stock up on groceries. If we were out of something, we just didn't eat it. We just didn't. I made other meals with what we had on hand. So if you live in a rural area and you don't have very good grocery stores, drive the 30 minutes, an hour, hour and a half, once a month, and go stock up when they have a big sale week. I always pick the weeks that they had the best sales, and I stocked up on those weeks for the entire month. Okay, so you may have to do some driving. I hope that gives you guys some tips on how to save money on your grocery bill. Please visit us at livingonadime.com and check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook for recipes and tips on how to save money on your grocery bill. Most people save $100 to $200 on their first trip to the grocery store using the tips in our cookbooks. livingonadime.com. We'll see you guys later.